this video, I will show you how to add YouTube shortcuts on desktop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Adding a YouTube shortcut to your desktop is really convenient as it allows you to quickly access YouTube to watch videos and even manage your channel. Now, to get started, I'm going to be using Google Chrome, so I would recommend using a Google Chrome browser to do this so you can follow along with me. But what you want to do is basically open up a Google Chrome browser and come across to youtube.com. Once you're on YouTube, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and what you want to do is hover over the option which says cast, save and share. What that's going to do is bring up a submenu like this, and you can install YouTube as its own separate app if you want to, but of course we're looking at how to add a shortcut. So all you need to do is simply click here where it says create shortcuts, and then what you can do is create a shortcut to this page, and you just want to go ahead and give this a name. So what I'm going to do is just get rid of this and leave the shortcut named as YouTube, and once that's done, just click the create button. So as you can see, that's now going to add it to the desktop. So if I now actually come back to my desktop, you'll see we've now got the YouTube shortcut created. What we can do is double click, and as you can see, it's going to directly open up YouTube, and it's just a much faster way to get to YouTube. So that is how to add a YouTube shortcut on your desktop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.